What's the meaning of allure? Allure. 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 Allure.
Allure refers to the power of attraction or fascination that something or someone holds over others. It is often associated with a sense of charm, beauty, seduction, or temptation. The result of allure can be seen in the way people are drawn to the object of their desire, whether it is a person, place, idea, or thing. This attraction can be either positive or negative, and the intensity of the allure can vary depending on the individual's perception and experience. Ultimately, allure has the ability to captivate and enthrall those who encounter it.